In this video, I want to show you an unexpectedly simple way to create a teardrop or droplet shape in Affinity. I discovered this trick recently and knew I had to share it. Start by selecting the Shape tool, where you'll find a variety of options, including the Tear tool. Just click and drag on the canvas to create any teardrop shape you like, adjusting the size as needed. If the stroke is hard to see, increase the stroke weight for better visibility. While you can tweak settings from the toolbar, I find it much easier to refine the shape directly on the canvas using the orange control points. You can modify the bend, adjust how rounded the bottom is, reposition the tail, and even enable the fixed ball size option, although it may distort things slightly at first. With a bit of fine-tuning, you can sculpt a perfectly smooth, custom teardrop shape. I was genuinely impressed by how flexible and intuitive this tool is. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create cleaner, more dynamic shapes in your own projects.